cultural destination. And here's your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Sam. You're tuned to Island Rhythms.
Dear God, me I write you a letter. Just steal some herb from me nerve, cause me can't take the pressure. Nika gone pan the hustling, she can't do no better. Them time pan her back and a stranger pan tap on the man, them a beat her off for her spot. Father, tell me what is that? Oh, thy will be done, and we will overcome. Indeed. We will rise above, cross Jamaica, and we are.
Say me no represent no JLP or PNP. Them can't tell me why the real warriors rest in peace. See all these P's mean RIP. Pestilence are where we get RID. Police brutality, unwanted tragedies. Youths can't get no work for provide the school fee. Instead of books, them get guns and some broken dreams. What a calamity. Oh Lordy, please.
Thy will be done, and we will overcome.
Yes, we shall.
We will rise above, cross Jamaica, and we love. Sometimes me have to wonder, I wish party that daily police kill poor people picnic. And no matter how we fight, nothing no come out of it. Me dep on me knee for the woman we kill a 4-year-old baby. Evil I take over.
Welcome to another fun-filled travel edition of Island Rhythms. I'm your host, Diva J, and today we'll be taking you on a lovely exploration of Mahogany Beach along with Cool Runnings. Of course, you know how Island Rhythms do it. There's a little bit of party, a little bit of rum, and a little bit of fun right here in Jamaica's beautiful sun. I'm Diva J, so stick and stay for more Island Rhythms at Mahogany Beach, and we'll be on Cool Runnings, so don't go anywhere. Don't move a muscle. One of the things you can hang out and do is just chill at the bar at the Mahogany Beach. It's so much fun, and there's so many things to do. I'm going to be trying their specialty drink, which is the Jamaica Delight. I'm so excited about that because if you're in Jamaica, what else should you be having? Should you be having a Jamaica Delight? So my bartender here is going to fix that up for me, and he's going to tell me just what's in that.
It's Jamaican African rum, beer syrup, African brandy, orange.
I'm excited already. You have everything Jamaican in that. If you have your Jamaican Appleton rum, which is a signature rum for Jamaica, along with a lot of others, but I think I like Appleton better. Now you have a liquor in there that's apricot. I'm excited about that. Let's see how that tastes.
Think of all the better times I've had. Oh God, it doesn't make me sad. Oh no, it doesn't bother me. Strength and honor is all I see. Oh, give thanks unto the Almighty One. He showed me what I had. He said, stand firm and keep the faith. Oh, your reward shall be great. And now I see the day when I'm stepping out of Babylon in New Jerusalem, in Mount Zion.
So here's a signature drink at Mahogany Beach. It's a Jamaica Delight. And isn't it delightful to look at? That is so beautiful. I can't wait to taste and drink that. Get it here, because I'm ready to taste that. Well, thank you very much. Oh, that is delightful. You have to come down and try that. So when you're in Jamaica and you're visiting the Mahogany Run, make sure you stop by and have a Jamaica Delight. Cheers. I'll see you guys on Cool Runnings because I know I'll be doing some partying on there. Favorite thing to do. One of the things that we women love to do, well, anybody loves to do, is shop. And here at Mahogany Beach, they have it all right here. Something for everybody. Something for the artist in your life, something for the lady in your life, something for the baby in your life. So come on and take a look at me at the Mahogany Beach gift shop. Oh, look. They even carry the Jamaican coffee bean. Okay, Blue Mountain Coffee. Of course, you know, when you come to Jamaica, you have to take back for the coffee lovers in your life that. And of course, you have to match it up with a mug. One of the cutest things I've seen so far in Jamaica is this salt and pepper shaker. Really? What are the piglets doing? This is not good. So, pepper, salt, and they go on your table like this. Awesome. So we're definitely getting this one. And of course, fruit baskets and fans. I'm in shopping heaven. So we're getting all this stuff. I'm going to pack it up. I'm going to put it in my suitcase. This, of course, is going to look really nice on my table with lots and lots of fruits in it. Oh, and this fans feel so luscious. We're having such a good time at Mahogany Beach. I hope when you're in Jamaica, you decide to make that an option. A little something for everybody. And of course, when you go to the island, some of the things that you see is the jewelry made out of volcanic rock. Now, I definitely know that it's not landmark, it's hematite. That's what it's called. It's hematite. And they find it from the rock is something that's formed from volcanic rock formation. They buff it, they shine it up, and it's actually beautiful. So that's one of the things that you can find here at this store. Let's go take a look at what else we can find. And of course, the lovely wrap that I'm wearing was from here. And of course, you know, I have to represent Jamaica in the Jamaica colors. And that's one of the things that you can find here as well. So I'll be going and taking my walk now on the beach just so I can cool out and relax. So I'll see you then. After my long, relaxing walk on the Mahogany Beach, I am ready for a relaxing boat ride. It's going to be so much fun. I'm excited. I can't wait. So when you're in Jamaica, do like the Jamaicans do and come down to Mahogany Beach and have a fun time. I'm Diva J, signing on for Island Rhythms. Come follow us as we take an exciting, luxurious ride on Cool Runnings today. I'm going to go hang out with some locals and have some local fun. See you then. See, I wasn't joking when I said I was going to find somebody really local to hang out with. Dressed in original Jamaican garb, market woman gear, and of course wearing her market woman basket. What are you selling, and how would you call your people to sell your wares?
Oh, I see. Callaloo, orange, mango. It's calling me. Come here.
So you say callaloo,
yeah,
orange, mango,
right.
and that's how they come and get their wares. And if you'd like to see a little bit of that, we'll show you shots of us at the market. Stay tuned for more Island Rhythms Reggae right here in the Jamaica sun. Hidden at Mahogany Beach is just a little treasure. So if you're a little tense from all the partying you do in Jamaica, you can walk across the fresh water and get a local person to massage you and give you a wonderful massage. I'm so excited. This alone in itself is relaxing. You get to walk across the cool, refreshing water just before you get there. So here I go. I'm going to find out what sort of massages they have here at Mahogany Beach. So we're walking right now to the masseuse. Woo!
Over here is the VIP, Richard VIP.
All right, so I'm in the VIP section right now.
Yeah, the beach is on the other side. This is where they start to hang out.
Little secret passages. You know how rich people have their little secret hideaways?
Yeah.
So this is my own little private island that I'm going to. So hence the reason I have to climb this. So after my cool walk, I finally made it to this little exotic paradise right across the beach from the bar. You can walk over here and get an intimate massage all by yourself while the breeze blows and you smell cool lavender and you listen to the water run. And with me is the lovely masseuse who has magical hands, and she's going to tell me what you offer here.
Okay, first I'll introduce myself. I'm Tamika.
Miss Tamika.
Yeah. And we have a different type of massage. You can get like a reflexology, the tissue massage, a stone deep tissue, neck and back, accurate pressure, holistic, or couples massage. You can also get body scrub, chocolate.
Oh, yummy! Can you eat it?
Body scrub.
You can't eat the chocolate. It's just like an intimate. It's just like a real good scrub. And I hear chocolate has a lot of antioxidants in it, so it's really good for your skin if you're trying to get that nice, refreshing, good scrub. I hear chocolate or even coffee is good, so I hear that. And that must smell. Can you imagine what that smells like? That must smell really, really good. So we have the chocolate body scrub, almond. The almond bodies. That's also a polish, almost like a scrub as well.
Yes.
And I'm sure that smells very luxurious as well. So I can't wait to see. I think I'm going to do my neck and back because I'm kind of tense from all the Jamaican partying I did last night and all the Ray and his cousins and Ray and his nephews that I had. So I think I need to get like a neck and back massage and see how that feels. I'm going to take my earrings out and hop on here on the bed and be ready for my massage. So I'll see you guys after my relaxing massage. I have to be quiet now because Mr. Mika means business, okay?
Island Rhythms, this is not a drop. Pop! Musical shot, Tyrus Riley. We're not hurting anyone. Seeing we're giving you the Island Rhythms with the real reggae music. Black style music. Tyrus Riley bigging up Island Rhythms. Give a little one drop. Nice.
It's that time again. We're getting ready to party with Island Rhythms on Cool Runnings. Come along while we have a fun time in Jamaica sun. It's fun, and we're going to do it real big on Cool Runnings today. I'm ready to party. I'm ready to get down and do some Jamaican rhyming. It is fun in the sun on Cool Runnings, of course. We're in Jamaican Mahogany Beach. We just left. I just got done getting the best massage that I've ever received, and I'm ready to turn it up on Cool Runnings. That's right. And what do we say in Jamaica? Captain Linden is going to make sure everybody on the boat is safe while having an awesome time. Right, Captain?
Right. And guess what? There's no other place to do it than Cool Runnings.
That's right. Now, most of you are familiar with the name Cool Runnings from what?
From the Cool Runnings movie.
That's right. Jamaica have a bobsled team, but there's no snow here today. Just a lot of sun and a lot of fun and a lot of people ready to drink some good rum punch.
Some good rum punch to get you with the blood flowing and the party starting and all of that. And we're going to take care of the rest.
All right, so I'm ready to party. Come on, Captain Linden. We got a ship full of people waiting to go.
Yeah, we got a ship full of people ready to go, and we're ready to off.
So we're finally on board. And as you can hear, they're playing a little bit of kaya music, of course. So that's how you know you're in Jamaica, when you hear that cool reggae music. So I'm ready to go. We're going to have a blast on this ship. Stay tuned for more sun, more fun with Island Rhythms on another travel.
Ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. Ready. Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl them a wine non-stop. We are the drinks them in a my cup. We gonna party all night. 24 parties we hit in a row. Tonight at the very last show, before we head out on the road. The girl them a release the road. So let me see your hands up, so everybody know, put your hands up, so if you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road.
You can do on Cool Runnings is, of course, go snorkeling and dive the great reefs in the Caribbean. Now, of course, Jamaica has one of the best reefs in the Caribbean, so this is a beautiful opportunity. The colors under there are beautiful, and the guests on board get to get an underwater camera so that they can take this and keep it for the rest of their lives. Now, tell me, are you one of the guides that help?
Yes, I'm one of the lifeguards.
And so they take all sorts of safety precautions. Now, this is one of the different things that I've seen on this ship is that they actually allow weak swimmers to go in the water along with guides.
Yes it is.
And once they go in, the guides, they need to follow the guides and stay with the guides. It's an awesome adventure, and I can't wait to hear what some of the guests have to say when they come off the boat.
And we take good care of them.
Of course you do. I see you with your little life thing, your snorkel thing, and you're going to go in the water.
Yes, so we're going to have a good time.
So we can't wait to talk to you on your way back.
For the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road. ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
Get off the ship and enjoy the beautiful waters, aqua waters of Jamaica. They get a beautiful ride all the way to Dunn's River Falls. And as you can see, the guests are surreal. They're having a really good time. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. Now, are you on vacation?
Yes, we're on vacation.
You are on vacation. What made you decide to pick the Cool Runnings? The name or?
Everybody's talking about it.
Everybody's talking about it. So you guys heard that first here. Everybody's talking about Cool Runnings. As you take a good look at the Norwegian Epic, one of the ports of call in Jamaica is Ocho Rios. We're going to continue riding and enjoying our fun-filled ride on Cool Runnings. Now, did you get to enjoy a Jamaica beef patty?
No, we haven't yet.
Not yet? Okay, it's one of the things she's going to have to do. So we'll come back and tell you how that was, okay? Stay tuned for more.
Sang of the joy and pain. He opened up our minds, and I still can hear him say, oh, talk to me, so you can see what's going on. Say you will sing your song forevermore. Gonna be some sweet sounds coming down the night shift. I bet you're singing proud. Oh, I bet you're full of pride. Gonna be a long night. It's gonna be alright on the night shift. You found another home. I know you're not alone on the night shift. Oh, you found another home. I know you're not alone on the night shift. Jackie, yeah, what you doing now? It seems like yesterday when we were working out.
So we finally arrive at our destination. We're in Dunn's River Falls, Ocho Rios. I'm so excited. I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. The people are excited. The vibe is nice. I got on my water shoes for safety. And let me tell you something. Cool Runnings was popping. The ride over here was awesome. Now this young lady, I heard talking a while ago about the reefs and how much fun. So did you get in the water and go over there and you had to swim?
Yeah, it was really fun. And when you hold one of the reefs, all the little fishes swim to it.
Ah, that's awesome.
Fun.
So you saw a lot of beautiful colors.
I got to touch fishies too.
Ah, so you're so excited. So you're excited about Dunn's River Falls?
Yeah.
Is it your first time climbing the falls?
Yes.
Well,
my first time to Jamaica too, and I'm already having fun. And I've only been here one day.
Okay, so imagine what's going to happen the rest of the time that you're here.
Right?
It's going to be awesome.
And the boat party is going to be popping.
So we're going to be looking for her on the boat because she's going to turn it all the way up. Stick and stay for more Island Rhythm.
Hey, I guess it's true, I'm not good at a one night stand, but I still need love cause I'm just a man. These nights never seem to go to plan. No, I don't want you to leave, will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you stay with me?
years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. And have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration.
So congratulations and happy birthday to the Island Rhythms and the whole Island Rhythm crew. And I hope God bless you. Continue having fun. We're Cool Running. Stay tuned for more Island Rhythms.
Torneo, party t t t t t t t t t zoom 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 party t t t t t t t t t zoom 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 zoom. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water, let them things there burn. Let them things there burn. Me I got party hard. You know me I got party hard. Me want party hard. Let's see a party hard. Me I got party hard. You know me I got party hard. Me want to party hard. Let's see me now party hard. Torneo. When I touch mic, the crowd will get hype if I say so. I don't play, bro. I'm here to entertain, yo. No game, bro. A hype thing in it, singing on you must party hard. And to my ladies, them, I love you still, you're my baby. No if, no buts, and no maybe. Show no face, you know you must party hard. And just wild out. To the energy got, there's no time out. You don't know if you rate, then just find out. Cause the people that come with no style out. So you must go, I wanna party hard. You see me want party hard. Me I got party hard. I see me now party hard. Me I got party hard. I see me now party hard. Me want to party hard. I see me now party hard. Start, take a pose, now dance. I wanna see a raving stance. Right now is where the raving starts. So everybody sing party hard. I'm like no long thing, no rinky dinky ding, no long thing. If I go to the bar and just no long thing, buy a drink and then you have to party hard. Man, there's enough ladies about you, so leave the rough dick thing from about you. The party thing is what you're about you.
So the party has started on Cool Runnings. We're having such a wonderful time. Take a look around you and you'll see the party has just got started. Stick and stay for more Island Rhythms as we party here on Cool Runnings.
See, I like Beyonce, but she take me home. I like Nicki. balancing when we on the road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Yes, we floated any road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, throw your hand in the face. Mashing up the place. We don't care about the recession. All we want to do is have fun. Jumping up in the blazing sun, blazing sun. Hey, some have energy, some have none. What do you put tell me you've done? We ain't even till the thing down, 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 down. This year we balancing, and everybody joining in. No time for sleeping, and drinking and eating your brain. Sexy girls in the line, go on fellas, take a line. We ain't even done, we ain't going to jump, we don't pick up, we might go. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, throw your hand in the face. Mashing up the place. Balance in the savannah, jumping up in panorama. Just wave up your bandana, bandana, bandana. Jumping up in the Mardi Gras, drinking everything by the bar. Show them you got the stamina, stamina. I don't ever want to be there. Sexy gal, I'm outside the game. Man, now you're wasting my time. If you're sticking, stay behind. Man, ready to bump and grind. So much sexy girls in the line. We're not leaving, run me out. We come to jump, we don't pick up, we might go. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up. Jump up, jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, throw your hand in the face. Mashing up the place. Balancing when we on the road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Yes, we floated any load. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Take a jump, jump, jump. Take a jump up by the track. Take a jump, jump, jump. There we jump and crash it up. Take a jump.
We finally made it back to dock. What a cool runnings it really was. We enjoyed ourselves. Cool runnings was safe, fun, and a pleasure to be on. The staff was exceptional. We had a great time here. So see you next time on another excursion with Island Rhythms. I'm Diva J, and we're signing out in Jamaica, man.
Thank you for watching Island Rhythms with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Rhythms.